1,334 new cases of COVID-19 were registered over the past day, the Deputy Minister of Health and Social Development Jalaluddin Rahmatullayev reports. In Bishkek, 702, in Osh, 47, in Chu region, 228, in Osh region, 67, in Talas region, 20, in Narin region, 24, in Issyk-Kul region, 49, in Jalalabad, 79, in Batken region, 118. In total, 146,292 cases were registered for the entire period. During the day, 1,163 patients recovered from COVID-19, but 11 died. Among medical workers, COVID-19 were registered in 33 patients for the past 24 hours. There are 4,863 patients on stationary treatment and 15,159 are outpatients. In addition, more than 9,000 PCR studies were conducted per day.